So one of the reasons I never posted much is because I genuinely did not know like how this would help my business or how this would actually help me because and yes, don't get me wrong. I've saw people who are posting reels, who are posting long form content, who are posting short form content, who are writing blog posts, and they're doing amazing. But I always had a thought in my mind that, hey, will this actually do anything for me in my business? At the same time, don't get me wrong, I'm not lazy. I just was not convinced because majority part of my life when I was running the business, I was working with clients. I was closing deals. I was working on multiple launches with international clients, and I did not have to post content. So there was this one thought that I was missing where I was able to not see the connection between what I was selling and the content. And of course, because at the end of the day, posting content takes effort. Like you need a script, you need to plan, you need to know what content to create. Like it's not easy, right? You need to put some effort into it. So I did not want to put in an effort because, as I said, I was not able to see the connection between me posting content and me getting sales. So that's the question that I had. And I saw that and also, I understand the whole consistency game. You need to post content consistently over the next, let's suppose, think it like you're not going to post content for the next a decade or so to get returns back. Great for the game. So the only point was I want to play the consistency game, not at the cost of connection. Let me explain. I do not want to post content of one motivational post or one, let's say, mindset post or mindset video like this, or motivational content, motivational quote, business quote one day. At the end of the day, I'm giving Facebook or any other platform, YouTube, any other platform, multiple signals that makes it confusing on what I'm actually selling because the people who are watching that content will not know what I'm selling. The people, the platform will not never know what I'm actually selling. And at the end of the day, I'll not get sales. But I know that content is really helpful to get more sales or to get more trust built with your audience, especially with your when you're running ads. How do I know? I'm the ads guy. I run ads, so I know how much content, how much valuable content is because that would help you build trust with your audience. So that's when it actually clicked. The connection that was missing. I was running my own ads and I was like, how can I leverage the content that I could create to get more sales for the offer with intent? So that's when I actually made the purpose. And it's basically, I'll just give you an example. Right now, I'm selling a 2 day in person event workshop, right? I was running ads for it, getting calls booked, showing up. People give, again, not everyone actually buys the offer, right? There are some people who will actually give you objections. And while we are doing that, I realized that for the people, most people who do not book a call, I'm creating this video for them actually. So if you're seeing this as an ad, heads up. Just kidding. Anyways, I'm creating this ad as a retargeting ad to get more trust. This is really good for improving the trust. This actually puts my face in front of people more frequently. And with the intent, I'm going to put forth retargeting ads to get more people to book a call with me who did not initially have the trust to book a call with me. So that's how I actually made the connection between posting content and getting sales and running ads. So that's what I actually do. And in fact, if you want to work on this system, there's going to be a link. Click the link below. There's going to be a link in the description as well. Click it. Let's see if you want to come to the workshop, which we are doing next. And we're going to open up virtually as well eventually down the line. So if that opens up at this point in time, yay. If not, yeah, we'll be looking forward to seeing you in person. Click the link below, schedule a call with us, and yeah, looking forward to seeing you how we can deploy the system into your offer.